Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial, the Nicki Minaj inspired look. I personally think I'm too old for this hairstyle, but I know I have a lot of younger kids and teens, my nieces, and it's going to be going back to school soon. So I thought this would be a cute back to school hairstyle. So I'm just the old auntie trying to show my nieces how to do a hip, cute hairstyle for back to school. It's like, no, I ain't old. This hairstyle, I don't know if this hairstyle is new or old. I don't follow Nicki, don't listen to her music. I actually seen this style on YouTube, and one of my YouTube sisters, Breezy's World, she did an awesome tutorial over on her channel using her natural hair. It ain't gonna work for me to use my hair, well, to use only my hair in these buns. I'm gonna have like peanut sized buns up there, and that ain't the look we going for. So I'm gonna give my little bitty buns a little boost and use some track hair bundles. So these are the bundles I'm going to be using. So these bundles came from Wondess. They sent me over a 14, 16, and no, my bad. They sent me over 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles with a 14-inch closure. This is Brazilian curly hair. I'm only going to use one bundle, and that's probably the shortest bundle, which is the 16-inch, because I don't need that much hair. The good thing about getting bundles and a closure, I can make a wig from the two bundles and this closure, and then, you know, use this hair for whatever. Kind of like a 2-in-1 when you get bundles, because if you don't want your hair really thick, you're not going to use all 3 of the bundles. You can use that for a hairstyle such as the one I'm going to show you guys. So as always, the link to this hair will be in the description box below.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
So this is the look. I normally do not have this much baby hairs, but hey, this is a Nicki Minaj inspired look. Her baby hairs, in my opinion, is out of control. So that's why I made them so full like this, but y'all already know I do not wear my baby hairs this full. So after this video, I will be brushing some of this hair back where it belongs. I think the look is cute. I don't have any, what you call them, chopsticks. You can find them at your local beauty supply store. They're probably like 99¢, and you just stick them in like an X position and you're good to go. You can also do this with straight hair bundles. Wondess does offer straight hair bundles if you are interested in those. Like I said, this is the Brazilian Kiki Curly, and this hair just matches closer to my hair texture. As always, the link to this hair will be down in the description box. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next hair video.